Hi, my name is Kunal Bichandani and I am in Dr. Valentine's Physics 2 class. My favorite physics lecture was the one by Mather from NASA. I really enjoyed his lecture since I am originally from Houston, Texas and have worked at Johnson Space Center since I was in middle school. Like every other engineer out there, I was always interested in robotics and rocketry, so that's why I was interested in NASA. I learned many new things from Dr. Mather, and I liked how he started from the Big Bang Theory and went all the way to the modern space era. I really was intrigued that Dr. Mather was working on the James Webb Telescope. I've heard of this telescope before, but it was really interesting to hear about it from Dr. Mather since he was actually working on this project. I also took the Stars, Galaxy, and Universe class last semester, so I knew most of the ways of how the planets, stars, and the universe formed. I actually knew most of the elements formed during the beginning of the universe, and that stuck in my head. It was cool to see that you can use a triangle method to calculate the distances of stars away from Earth. I didn't know of all the famous astronomers that he mentioned in his slides, so I actually read about them after the lecture so I could see exactly what they were studying and what they worked on. I really enjoyed watching the video of the telescope that collects starlight. Since I am a mechanical engineer, it was really interesting to see how this telescope opened up. I have talked to actually some other NASA specialists of the optical end-to-end test, but I never knew what the equipment actually looked like. So it was actually really cool to see the actual equipment on the presentation. Overall, I really enjoyed this presentation by Dr. Mather, and it really made me think of what exactly I wanted to do in the future, maybe actually work for NASA. Thank you for listening.